Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. So I really love my coffee, and one of the things that's really important to me is to have fresh coffee beans. Now I always grind my coffee right before I make it, so when I get my fresh roasted beans I want to make sure that I keep them fresh. So this is the Coffeevac. It's made by a company called Type Pack. And what this is, it's a coffee canister. It holds 1 pound of coffee, and it's really important to keep your coffee away from air and dark. So a lot of times people want to put coffee in their freezer and stuff. Evidently that's not really that great for it. But this keeps it nice and sealed and dark, which is really important. And the reason why is it's got a vacuum seal. So if I open it up, you can actually hear it. And I just got a pound of beans yesterday, so it's nice and full of fresh roasted coffee beans. And I wish you could smell it on the video because they smell incredible. So this is really great because you fill it up with a pound of fresh beans, and then you close it, and it's got a nice tight vacuum seal so no air can get in there. This one's black, so it keeps it nice and dark. But they also have a whole bunch of different colors, all in this 1 pound side. They got some pretty designs as well. So this is the Coffeevac. It keeps my coffee nice and fresh, and it's a great product. Thank you.